Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we got something special that Mother Nature gave us. So we're going to take advantage. I haven't been playing in snow in 7 years. So we got the little pit bike out. We're going to go pick up the sled. And we're going to take Ella sledding. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys go hit that like button and subscribe. We'll catch you guys all. So there you guys have it. Ella's on the slide. We got a pit bike running. Pit bike's a little cold-blooded.
I'm zombie but awake, 밤비가 내려wake. Can't wait, no time is a game, so I just put it all my way. I'm zombie but awake, 밤비가 내려wake. Can't wait, no time is a game, so I just put it all my way. All I need is love, all I need is hope. 사랑을 갈구해 랩으로 박치는 건 나 랩으로 얘기해 막 사는 걸 자랑을 하는 래퍼들 얘기는 no. All I need is hope, all I need is hope. 현실을 도피해 랩으로 바쁘단 걸 날 필요로 한다고 느끼는 게 살아있다고 날 더 느끼게 해. 하고 싶은 얘기들을 담아서 노래로 만들어 나는 길을 받아줘. 누구에게 약이 되고 누구에겐 독 이런 얘기들은 뱀이 들어버렸네. 밤에 들이부어져 얼간이 부어버려 툭 튀어나와버렸네. 배가 부르지 않게 better rap honey bad honey bad bust down rolling. 하나로는 부족해 하나로는 부족하니까 난 손목에 내 또 내 목에 챙갱갱. 하지 못할 일은 없으니까 가족에게 보여줄 일밖에 이젠 없으니까 hustle for the best got no time for the bitches. 랩을 못한다면 내 노래마저도 예매. Get a money backpack new click new whip never put it back payback click clack bang. I'm walking like a zombie. I'm rapping like a zombie. I'm walking like a zombie. I'm living like a zombie.
You want me to take you up to the house? Are you done? Alright, get on. I won't. Okay, I'll stay on the grass. Okay, here. Okay. It's right there. Ready? Hang on, it's bump. Good job. Hey guys, so let's get to riding the pit bike in the snow. You only get this once in a lifetime, especially for us down here. Woo! Let's go ride the track. I got itch. I got to itch my ear. Alright, let's see if I can show around without the choke on. She's slippery, eh? Alright, let's go in the woods.
I'm zombie but awake 밤비가 내려 wait Can't wait no time is a game so I just put it all my way I'm zombie but awake 밤비가 내려 wait Can't wait no time is a game so I just put it all my way All I need is love all I need is hope 사랑을 갈구해 랩으로 빡치는 건 나 랩으로 얘기해 막 사는 걸 자랑을 하는 래퍼들 얘기는 no All I need is hope all I need is hope 현실을 도피해 랩으로 바쁘단 걸 날 필요로 한다고 느끼는 게 살아있다고 날 더 느끼게 해 하고 싶은 얘기들을 담아서 노래로 만들어 나는 길을 받아서 누구에게 약이 되고 누구에겐 독 이런 얘기들은 뱀이 들어버렸네 밤에 들이부어져 얼간이 부어버려 툭 튀어나와버렸네 배가 부르지 않게 better rap honey bad honey bad bust down rolling 하나로는 부족해 하나로는 부족하니까 난 손목에 내 또 내 목에 챙갱갱 하지 못할 일은 없으니까 가족에게 보여줄 일밖에 이젠 없으니까 Hustle for the best got no time for the bitches 랩을 못한다면 내 노래마저도 개미 Get a money back back new click new whip never put it back payback click clack bang I'm walking like a zombie I'm rapping like a zombie I'm walking like a zombie I'm living like a zombie
On. Drop my hands. Don't want to put your wet hands in your gloves, otherwise it's pointless putting gloves back on. Just gotta roll this sucker back. There we go. Alright, so we ain't going through the trail because this one can't go. Need the new tires. Butthole. Out. Woo. Oh. Told you guys we would fall. Woo. your back up, hurry! Clean the mud off. Alright guys, if we can hit 5 likes, I'll take the pit bike down in that mud. 5 likes, that's all I need. And I'll do it. Smaller. Alright, let's get back here to it. We went for a walk today. Let's park right here. Looks good. Alright, the bike won't stay there. I'm just laying against there. Alright. So if you guys can see, there's a path right here, and if you can see right there, there is a orange flag. That's the end of the property. We're gonna clean all the ground down. And we're gonna basically put like a, I don't know what it's called, but you put like wood up and stuff so they makes it funnel. So we're gonna do all that. We got a couple areas where we're gonna do a funnel at. Then we're gonna plant this right here, some sugar beets or some other type of good things for your whitetail. Sorry guys if I'm panting a little. It's a little hard working. But we're gonna clean basically all the ground up. We're gonna leave a couple thick spots like that, because I know the big bucks, they like the thick ones. As you can see in one of the trail rides earlier, there is a deer rub on the pit bike trail. There's also one back in that corner, which is great. But this year we did not have pretty good odds. We got one, we shot two, but couldn't find her. So we only got one this year. Yeah, so we're gonna try clean this up. I need to go get that washed off, but yeah, we're gonna move my stand to probably this corner or this corner, or we're gonna build one. And look at that big tree. This thing's massive. Be one of them tree huggers. No, we ain't tree huggers around here. That's a lot of money right there. And 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 right there. No. Anyways, wood is probably up right now. But we're going to do this first. And then we're going to... I don't know if we're tracking a deer or if the deer's tracking us. Anyways, all the blood that's leaking. So that's the plan. We're gonna do a little bit on here on YouTube, so you guys can like. So you guys can watch it. Make sure you guys go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe for future stuff we're gonna do on this. But we're gonna build a couple little ramps back here because during the summertime, well, spring and summer, we're gonna ride back here because they're gonna have food here, and you know, I don't need the deer back here at the daytime like I do when I hunt. So that being said, we're gonna do a little bit more riding, and probably go get this cleaned up too. But you know what? We're gonna send it for the boys. Ow! Almost lost you guys. We're gonna leave some of this right here just because that's real thick, and we'll probably go in there and cut the little trees down and make it even thicker, just so, and we'll have a path through it, so you know, we're gonna funnel them, so, because they don't really stay in here, they just run it, like they run this way. I got my corn out because I'm trying to see what's all here still. There's my tree stand. I got my property marker right there. Let's go down this way. This is still my property. We got a ravine here. That's what we're gonna try to, you know, make it so they can funnel up here and go up that way. So that's the plan.